Now I would like to speak about a very important concept in programming languages, and it's called conditions. So what does it mean? In this video I will speak about main idea about conditions, and after that I will show you some real examples in the next videos. Okay, so what's the main idea about conditions? I can write some code, it doesn't matter, for example something like this, and if I will run it, you will see that test is print out 5 times. So it means that the code is run like line by line, okay, like this, print. But sometimes you need you are in a situation when you need run some part of your code, and in a different situation you need to run a different part of your code. So it means your code doesn't do the same thing all the time. So what does it mean? If you want to write or use conditions, the first thing which you need to write is if keyword. So if, for example, 5 is greater than 0, here you need to write colon. It looks like this. So be careful, because lots of people forget the colon here, and it's a problem after that. So if some condition, and we will write or print out something like it is true, else colon again print it is false. And what does it mean? How does it work? Here you have condition, and the condition ends with true or false all the time. So it means 5 is greater than 0. What does it mean? It is true or false? It is true, right? 5 is greater than 0. So it means this part will be printed out. Okay, I will run it, and for clarity I will clear it. It is true, right? Because this ends like this ends in true. So print it is true. If I will change it, for example here, 5 is greater than 10. Is it true? No, it's false. So if it is false, it means the else part will run. So this text, it is false, will be printed out. I run it, it is false. If I will put here something like this, 5 is not equal to 10. It is true or false? So it means 5 is different from 10. If I run it, it's true, right? Because it's not the same. If I will write something like this, 5 is not equal to 5, I will run it, it's false, okay? Because this is false, it's not true, right? If I will write something like 5 is equal to 5, don't forget that equal, it means 2 equals in conditions. 5 is equal to 5, I will run it, it's true. Okay, great. So I hope you got it, and you understand the basic idea of the condition. Of course you can do it with strings as well. So maybe I will copy it. Okay, put it here like this, and the condition can be anything. For example, David is equal to David. Is it true or false? It's true, right? So we will print this this statement. It is true. If I will write something like David is equal to Harry, I will print it. It's false, because David is not equal to Harry, because this is false. So the else part of the condition will run. So the print or printed text will be it is false, and we can see it. It is false. Okay, I hope you got it, and this is the main idea of conditions.